Good morning everyone, I am Kushi Goyat. I am glad to give a speech on this auspicious day. My topic is Rabindranath Tagore. Rabindranath Tagore was a great Indian poet. He was born on 7th May in 1861 at Jorasanka, Kolkata. He was born in the rich and cultural family. His parents were Maharishi Devendranath and Sharda Devi. He was very much interested in writing a poem from an early age when he...
Good evening, ma'am. I am Bhumika Tripathi. I am glad to give speech on Spacious Day. My topic is Rabindranath Tagore. Rabindranath Tagore was a great Indian poet. He was born on 7th May in 1861 at Jorasanka, Kolkata. He was born in the rich and cultural family. His parents were Maharishi Devendranath and Sharda Devi. He was very much interested in writing poems. At that, his mother died in 1875. He took it.
Good morning, this is Mukund Bharti, class 9th. Today I am going to tell you few words about Mr. Rabindranath Tagore. Rabindranath Tagore, also known as Bhanu Singh Thakur, was a great Indian poet. He was born on 7th May in 1861 at Jorasanka, Kolkata. He was born in a rich and cultural family. His parents were Maharishi Devendranath and Sharda Devi.
Good evening everyone. I am glad to give a speech on this auspicious day. My topic is Rabindranath Tagore. Rabindranath Tagore was a great Indian poet. He was born on 7th May in 1861 at Jorasanka, Kolkata. He was born in the rich and cultural family. His parents were Maharishi Devendranath and Sharda Devi. He was very much interested in writing poems from an early age.
Everyone, I am glad to give a speech on this auspicious day. My topic is Rabindranath Tagore. Rabindranath Tagore was a great Indian poet. He was born on 7th May in 1861 at Jorasanka in Kolkata. He was born in the rich family and cultural family. His parents was Maharishi Devendranath and Sharda Devi. He was very much interested in writing poems for his early age when he was just 14 years old. He took
India, a country famous for its spices, traditions, clothes, varieties and whatnot. But you know what one thing India is famous for? Its famous personalities. Hello everyone, I am Kamna Budakoti and today I am here to give you all a speech upon one of such amazing personalities, that is Rabindranath Tagore. Along with the Western educationalists, India produced a number of masterminds during the last 1 century. One of such notable personalities was Rabindranath Tagore, a renowned poet, a novelist, a composer and after all a true patriot who was born in a rich family of Brahmo Samajas. He received his early education at his home and then went to England for the further studies but came back without pursuing the study of law. So he had a very good command over many languages and also he wrote poems and stories in those languages. He was a very...
I'm Sahaj from class 10 and today I'm gonna tell you about Buddha Purnima. Buddha Purnima is also known as Buddha Jayanti. It is celebrated on the full moon night in the month of Vaisakhi. Lord Buddha was the founder of Buddhist religion and said to be 9th avatar of Vishnu. It was the day on Buddha Purnima when Lord Buddha was born and died. Buddha Purnima is also known as Vaisakhi Puja in India because it is celebrated in the month of Vaisakhi. On this day, Buddhists bath and wear white clothes only and offered flowers, candles, fruits to the statue of Buddha. It is a holy festival of Buddhists which is celebrated every year by some Jainis, Hindus and Buddhists in our whole country.
मैं अभिमन्यु केलोदिया ललित महाजन सरस्वती विद्या मंदिर हायर सेकेंडरी स्कूल वसंत विहार दिल्ली कक्षा 10वीं अ। जैसा कि हम सब जानते हैं कि हम हर साल बैशाख माह की पूर्णिमा को हम बुद्ध पूर्णिमा के रूप में मनाते हैं, क्योंकि बुद्ध पूर्णिमा के दिन ही भगवान बुद्ध को संबोधि प्राप्त हुई थी और सत्य के ज्ञान प्राप्त हुआ था। उनके बचपन का नाम सिद्धार्थ था। उनका जन्म राजकुल में हुआ था, लेकिन नियति को कुछ और ही मंजूर था। एक दिन रास्ते से गुजरते हुए उन्होंने एक शव यात्रा देख ली और मन में अनेक सवाल उत्पन्न हो गए और निकल पड़े सत्य की खोज में। सत्य और ईश्वर को जानने के लिए अपना सब कुछ दांव पर लगा दिया। राजपाट छोड़कर जंगल में भटकते रहे। अनेक गुरु जिसने पूरी निष्ठा से कभी एक पांव पर खड़े रहे, कभी शरीर की हालत जीर्ण शीर्ण हो गई। एक दिन नदी को पार करते वक्त उन्हें यह ख्याल आया कि मैं नदी को पार कर ही क्यों रहा हूँ।
Good morning everyone. I am Nihal Das and I am studying in class 10th B. I am glad to give a speech on this auspicious day. My topic is Rabindranath Tagore. Rabindranath Tagore was a great Indian poet. Rabindranath Tagore was born on 7th May in 1861 at Jarsanka, Kolkata. He was born in rich and cultural family. His parents were Maharishi Devendranath and Sharda Devi. He was very much interested in writing poems from an early age. When he was just 14 years old, he began writing poems. At that, his mother died in 1875. He took his early education at home. The private teachers were there to educate him. He never attended the school. He went to England for higher studies. He went to England in 1878 to study law, and he returned without completing the studies. He started.
Hello everyone, my name is Sarut Tigra. I study in class 10th B from Lalit Mahajan SBM School, Basak, Bihar, Delhi. And I am glad to give a speech on this special day. My topic is Rabindranath Tagore. Jana Gana Mana or national anthem was originally composed as Bharto Bhagya Vidhata by none other than Rabindranath Tagore. Singing it makes everybody feel patriotic. Rabindranath Tagore was born on 6th May 1861 in Jorasanko in Calcutta. He was the youngest of the 14 children in the family of Devendranath and Sarda Devi. His father was a great landlord and was known as Tagore, the word which got changed into Tagore. Rabindranath Tagore was one of the greatest men in India. He was the versatile genius, being a poet, novelist, playwright, essayist, short story writer, statesman, musician, etc., fighter, all rolled into one. He was easily one of the greatest literary presenters of the world. As a child, Rabindranath Tagore was sent to Bengal Academy and then to Sant Xavier, but he refused to be educated.
My name is Yash. Today I tell you the speech on Buddha Purnima. Buddha Purnima is the most holy time in the Buddhist calendar. It is also known as the Vesak or Visakha Puja in India, while it is called Visakha Puja in Thailand, Vesak in Indonesia, and Vesak in Sri Lanka and Malaysia. Buddha Purnima is celebrated to commemorate the birth, enlightenment and passing away of Gautam Buddha. The three important events in the life of Buddha. It is celebrated on the first full moon day in May, except for the leap year when this festival is celebrated.
Good evening. I am Rohan Pandey, student of class 12th A on Lalit Mahajan SVM Senior Secondary School on Vasant Vihar. I wish to all teacher and principal sir and my dear friends happy Buddha Purnima and happy Rabindranath Tagore Jayanti. Today I will speak Lord Buddha quotation in English language. First, there are no secrets to success. It is so result of preparation, hard work and learning from failure. Mind is a beautiful servant but a dangerous master. Don't tell people your plans, show them your result. In Hindi language. इस पूरी दुनिया में इतना अंधकार नहीं है कि वो एक छोटी सी मोमबत्ती का प्रकाश बुझा सके। तीन चीजें ज्यादातर।
Good morning everyone. I am Dipanshu Malhotra of class 12B. Today I am here to give a speech on Rabindranath Tagore. Rabindranath Tagore was a great poet, patriot, a philosopher, humanist and a painter. He was born in Calcutta of 7th of May in 1861 in his central home to Maharishi Devendranath Tagore and Sarda Devi. He was 14th child of his parents, however difficult from others. He got his proper education and knowledge about various subjects at home by private teachers. He went to England for his higher education and was not satisfied with the traditional system of education there. He returned to India and opened his own school and named it Santi Niketan in Bengal. This school later became a college, then a university. He was honored with Nobel Prize for Gitanjali in 1918. He was also rewarded with knighthood by